We wrapped up yesterday, delivering materials back to Lowe's and picking up 9 sheets of plywood. And today you get to see what we did with that 9 sheets of plywood. I think it looks pretty. Mechanics now.
Run it to a switch.
I got you.
Because when I want to watch my nighttime sky, I like to shut everything down.
Yeah, exactly. We got them working.
4 of them in?
Yep.
Okay. Cool, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. I like that shit. Stain can stencil. And I cut a round hole with a sawzall. Thick blade too. It's like we're watching TV in the living room. Charlie Fence. Have a little update on the outdoor-indoor kitchen. Ooh. Look at that. Look at the cabinet doors. The last time I brought you guys in here, we needed some cabinet doors, and I also mistakenly called that an electric range. Or an electric whatever. That is a gas range. Look at our Lazy Susan door. And you can come in here and Susan. Ooh. You know that's neat. Yeah, the what she calls it's the expensive fancy Lazy Susan kits you get at the store. This is just like that, except just like that, except we've also got lots of cool things. Ooh. What a kitchen in the woods.
Mainly mid to upper 60s by tomorrow morning. A little bit of morning fog at about 20%, and the warm pattern just keeps on, as you can see, right on into next.
Well, consumer advocates
She bit her and she bit the shit out of you.
I know, right?
Tell him, Brad. There's no problem. Don was like, oh, you fucking biting everything now. Y'all got this thing here. I want you to know I know know why he backs off when she bites him now. Damn.